Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The entire exercise shall be completed as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of 1.5 months from the date of communication of a certified copy of this order along with copy of the writ petition by the petitioner. Stop. It is common ground that the case of the petitioner in writ petition was considered by the department and by order the claim for regularization was rejected. Stop. It appears that as the official respondents were not served in writ petition and the order was not passed after issuing notice to them, nothing was done by the official respondents in pursuance of the directions issued by the court in its order. Stop. Therefore, contempt case number 3553 of 2020 was preferred by the writ petitioner in writ petition, which was again disposed of without issuing notice to the official respondents with the direction that the direction issued by the court in writ petition be complied within 15 days. Stop. This was followed by contempt case number 5600 of 2020, which was again disposed of without issuing notice to the official respondents, reiterating the earlier directions and commanding the official respondents to deal with the matter within a week. Stop. The matter was then considered by the Principal Secretary to Government, Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, and by order the prayer for regularization made by the petitioner in writ petition number 3442 of 2020 was rejected, in which the single judge of the High Court was pleased to direct the personal appearance of the alleged contemners in the High Court along with explanation as to why they should not be punished under the Contempt of Courts Act for deliberate violation. Stop. As the facts clearly indicate, at no stage the official respondents were noticed either when the original writ petition, namely, was disposed of, or first two contempt petitions were disposed of by the High Court. Stop. Even then, the matter was considered by the Principal Secretary, and by order the claim raised by the petitioner in writ petition was rejected. Stop. Consequently, there was no occasion for the High Court to take cognizance in contempt case. Stop. We therefore allow this appeal set aside the order passed by the High Court and dismiss stop. It shall be open to the respondent union to challenge the order if so advised. Stop. In case any such challenge is raised, the same shall be considered purely on its own merits without being influenced. Stop.